So let's take a look at how you can run Salesforce Object Query language query in Developer Console. So what we're going to do is go open developer account, then go to setup menu and then click on Developer Console. Now here you can see at the bottom you have a few tabs, and here you see query editor. This is where we are going to write SOQL query. So let's see if I have query like select ID, the name, and then that's it. If you want to get that from any account, like say even yours, then you type in this query. Okay, and then you can simply execute this by clicking on the button at the bottom. And here you see, let me go back. Here you see ID and name of the accounts that you are managing in Salesforce. Okay, you will find that some of them are generic and 2 or 3 being the genuine one. Okay, so you get the idea how to run a SOQL query in Developer Console.